Hello everyone, my name is Shravani and today I'll be sharing you all about share market trading campus. So I'm currently 10th pass and I'm waiting for my results to go ahead. Usually for educations, you have limited options for like streams, but I found this as a very good course. Even the teachers, they're very nice. She's very sweet and helps me to learn all of these things, and I feel everyone who's my age should start learning all of this because it really has a scope to go ahead and make more money. It's difficult, but it can actually, if you study, you can go up and make it through all of it. Share Trading Campus has really helped me to learn all of these things, and I feel they have a very good they are not online classes. Like online courses, usually they don't have practical experiences, but I get to use their ads and stuff, and I think they give you a lot of experience in real life more than online courses. You don't get a lot of practical ideas how to actually use the software and stuff. And I think that really helped me a lot.